Now let's put a little combo of our beautiful veil that we've learned the last previous weeks. I have all of that attached to your files in the description or in your membership. So now let's go into our entrance. So we're going to go into our entrance. So when I go in, I'm just going to walk very slowly. I'll start with my right foot. And then I'm going to do 3 walks. I'm just do very slow walks. And I'm going to do 3 walks, going to the right, normal walk, 1, 2, 3. But then I'm going to do a little arabesque, which is just a little leg lift up. And then left foot's going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. So we walked in nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. The waist on the left. Now I'm going to go kind of diagonally to my left side, which is, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, arabesque. So let's just do that again. With your right foot. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. Okay, so I kind of just add a little pivot so I could go to the other side. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to pivot, do a little arabesque. Good, let's do that again from here. And 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. So I'm kind of doing a 1/8 of a third turn. Now I'm going to add a little flick of the hands. So when we do the flick, all you're doing is up on the arabesque. Okay, so the arabesque again is just a lift of the air of the leg up in the air, which is that's what arabesque means, air. And that's going to be your count 4. And I want you to flick the hands. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. Nice. All right, so after this, be careful not to step on your veil. We're going to go towards the back and we'll do the zigzag, the same thing. All right, and 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. All right, so now we're going to go here. So you're facing the back. Let me guide you. So you're going 1, 2, 3, arabesque. And 1, 2, 3, arabesque. All right, so now we're going to do a 3-point turn with the veil. Okay, going to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then try to keep the veil about shoulder height. So let's go from the top. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. 1, 2, 3, arabesque. And turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. And then bring that veil in front. Good. Now we're going to get ready to walk into the veil. And so again, when you bring that veil in front, it'll be your right arm coming around. So you're here. And just bring that right arm around. And then we're going to walk slowly. I'm just going to do 2 because I'll be off the camera if I do too many. So I'm just going to do 2 walks. So I'm going to go into that plie. 1, 2. And then from here, I'm bringing my hands on top. And I'm going to do a little figure 8. So I'm going to start with my right hip. I'm going to go up. I push my foot against the floor and I'm going to go up, sway, and then sway. And then I'm going to slowly walk back. 1, 2. I'm going to bring the veil into butterfly. And I'm going to turn to the right. To your left. My left, your right. And then I'm going to unveil the right side and turn to the right. And then I'll bring the veil down and then up and toss. And I'm just going to finish here. And that's going to be a little routine. So let's do that again from the top. We're going to walk. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, flick. 1, 2, 3, flick, 1, 2, 3, flick, 1, 2, 3, flick, turn, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did it one too many, but bring your right arm to the front and slowly walk into the veil. 1, 2, and walk away. 1, 2, into this, and then turn to to your right. Unveil the left, and then unveil, up and over, and then you finish right here. Try to hold the veil towards the back as much as you can, and then that's your little pause right here. So the veil becomes a nice, beautiful long dress. All right, so I did the right side and left side, so you could practice both sides. And now you could watch this with the music and just have fun with this. Practice. It's just a little small combo, and I'll see you in the next video.